안녕하세요. Hello, guys. Today I'm going to talk about one Korean speaking habit. I will use these sentences. Jessica is giving an introduction. Hi, I am Jessica. I am a freshman. 안녕하세요. 저는 제시카예요. 저는 1학년이에요. 자, I just translated those sentences into Korean. But if someone says this one in Korean, 안녕하세요. 저는 제시카예요. And the second 저는 it's common that we drop the second 저는 because why? Redundancy. 저는 and 저는 redundant. Just in order to avoid the redundancy, we drop. It's very common that we drop the redundant element. I'm going to use this this line. Jessica asks Tom, Tom, are you students? Hi, Tom. 당신은, 너는 학생이에요? Even though I translate this, 당신은, 너는, but it sounded I felt a bit awkward because even though the word you in Korean is no casual, 당신 or polite way, no 당신, however, we seldom use you. You indicate you, no or 당신 for you. There are cases, but I mean, usually. So why? What is the context? Based on the context, this question is directed to Tom, right? So it's clear the context-wise, this question is directed to Tom. So we don't use indicate you. When the based on the context, which item or what item and who is the subject is clear, then we often drop the subject입니다. Often drop subject like I and you, and he and she. So sometimes when I see students' translations into Korean, when the context is not clear, just one or two sentences, I see that students translate those sentences into many different ways using different subjects. But so sometimes practice those sentences using just one or two sentences. I felt those context is not enough for my students to understand. But anyhow, if you learn more Korean more, then you will get to know what the context is. So anyhow, I'm going to tell you, in order to avoid the redundancy, we drop the redundant element. And second is kind of especially subject. When the subject is clear based on the context, we don't add I, you, she, he, well, they, this kind of subject in the sentence. So difference between English and Koreanism. In English, you start the English sentences start with the subject. So subject space, the space for a subject should be filled, but in Korean, no. Okay, that's the one difference. 감사합니다.